baggage will be taken by police and destroyed.
Today is finally the day where we jump on our flight and travel this world. I cannot wait. I am so excited for this. We have just arrived in Singapore and we flew from like the coldest place called London. And
snowing when we left.
Yeah, it was actually snowing. Yeah, but we've just arrived here and woo, it's hot. And it's only like 8 AM in the morning.
So nice.
Also, I've lost my voice as well. Started getting a bad throat on the old plane. I think we're going the wrong way.
To the city.
To the city, right. To the city, let's go. Right. So the last couple of hours have been a bit of a shambles. Well, no, not a shambles, but we went to our hotel hostel. We just had to like get a shower, relax. I think we're both really jet lagged, aren't we?
We're tired.
Really tired.
I haven't slept in about 48 hours.
I'm feeling pretty sick. My throat is just ruined. Yeah, power through and see what we can do. But this is pretty much the centre, the like business district of Singapore, and it is absolutely buzzing. It's just like cars whizzing past, buildings like, look at that. You only see that in like films. I've never seen a building that tall in my life. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Jess has seen the tallest building in the world, but I haven't. Wow, that is huge though. But we're gonna find some food because we haven't actually eaten anything decent in like 3 days now, right?
Airplane food.
Airplane food and just like snacks at airports, not good. Food, a bit of B-roll, and then hopefully we can get into some Singapore action. I'm burning already. I've got sunscreen on. But I'm literally burning already. It's that hot. I think it's 32 degrees at the moment. So we're just getting our bearings of the city, seeing what we want to do. We're going to check out the Bay of Gardens tonight. Gardens by the Bay tonight, which is like a must-do thing. Everyone keeps telling us about it. From what we've seen in pictures, it looks incredible. Yeah, right now we're just sitting here, just enjoying this city view. Like I said earlier, I have never seen skyscrapers this big. I love architecture, and that's one of the reasons I love going to London. I've mentioned it a few times, but I don't know, I'm in my element right now, just looking at these buildings. It's just insane what humans can actually make, right?
Marina Bay Sands one is...
What about there?
Yeah. I just keep staring at it thinking, I don't know how they've done that.
It's mad, isn't it? It just looks incredible.
They've got palm trees up there and everything.
So this is like one of the famous hotels in Singapore. And on the top here is an infinity pool. I think we're going to try and get up there tomorrow. We won't be able to get into the pool because you have to be a guest at the hotel. And to be a guest at the hotel, it's 350 quid a night. And, you know, there's no way we can afford that. We are on a budget. The biggest escalator I've ever seen. Look at that. Wow, we just went up. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at the curvature here. Whoop. Just purchased some tickets to do the Skywalk, and look at this is the bridge. It's just like suspended from these trees.
Yeah, makes me feel a bit uneasy.
Yeah. Right, so a lot of people have been telling us about stopping at a certain area to watch the light show at the Gardens of By the Bay. So we just had our food, we've sat down, we've been relaxing for the last half an hour. We're going to see this light show. It's going to be cool, huh?
Yeah, it already looks so beautiful.
Tonight we present A Journey Through Asia.
Guys, this is ridiculously good. It's incredible. The music, the lights. I'm losing my voice. I'm really losing my voice. But yeah, this is spectacular, beautiful. If you ever get a chance to do this, 100% come down at Gardens by the Bay. It's incredible, absolutely incredible.
Garden Rhapsody is brought to you by Gardens by the Bay.
Guys, I just cannot get over how pretty this place is. Like, look at these buildings in the background, all lit up, where technology meets nature, and you can truly see that with everything around. It feels like you're walking through a jungle with skyscrapers around you, doesn't it?
Yeah,
it's just ridiculous, and the lights and everything's just flashing and... I'm sorry I haven't been that enthusiastic today. Like I mentioned earlier, my throat is just seized up and I'm so jet lagged, and like Jess and myself are so tired right now. So we've called it an early night. Yeah, we're just gonna get some good sleep tonight, and hopefully we can hit the ground running tomorrow and get some good stuff. You know, the reason we come to Singapore for. So, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you are new, please hit subscribe, turn on channel notifications, and I'll catch you in a video soon. Peace, take care, and I love you lots.